Tonight I'm gonna dine alone at home, so naturally I'm looking for something that is easy to prepare. And this morning I was in the local market and managed to get some Chinese chives, which I'm gonna use it to stir fry with some egg for tonight's dinner. Hey, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food, and in this recipe I'm gonna show you how to prepare Chinese chives stir fry with egg. Super easy recipe. As I said, I'm going to dine it alone at home tonight. I don't want to spend too much time to cook. This is the Chinese chives, and I've washed the Chinese chives already, and I removed the part that is close to the stem, which is tough and I do not want to include into the recipe. Cut it into half to about 3/4 inch in length. Then beat 4 eggs in a large bowl. Beat it very well until the egg yolks and the whites are well combined. Then add some salt, some ground white pepper, and some sugar, and mix well. I want to make the texture of the egg to become very silky smooth. So this is a trick. I have some starch here. This is cornstarch. You can also use potato starch. Then add a little bit of cold water into it to make into a slurry. Make sure it is cold water. If you use hot water, it will turn into very gummy, and it will not be able to mix well with the egg afterwards. And then add the slurry mixture, the cornstarch slurry mixture into the egg, and mix well. Now back to the chives. I can add the chives into the egg mixture and then make an omelette or a scrambled egg straight away. But it would taste better if you stir fry the chive first before you add it to the egg. The reason is during the frying it will generate more flavor, and also because I have already washed the chives, it's quite wet, and I do not want to have too much water released into the egg mixture. You can just fry as what I'm doing, or you can add some minced garlic, but I'll just make it simple today because, as I said, I'm dining alone. Medium heat to low heat for about a minute should be fine, and try not to overcook it because I want to retain the vibrant green color. Alright, it's done. Remove it and let it cool down before I add it to the egg. Now in the same pan, over low to medium heat, and then we'll add the mixture of chives and the egg into it. And let it sit for a few seconds until it starts to set. Then slowly push it around. The best way is to use a chopstick. Very convenient. Push it around. Let the egg flow down. Push it around again. Slowly. I'm using a non-stick pan because I just do not want to use too much oil. Okay. and until it is nearly set. I do not want to overcook it and become brown, but usually Chinese omelette or Chinese stir-fried egg is firmer than the Western style omelette. But I still do not want to overcook it. Let it fully set, nearly fully set, but still soft inside. Then next thing what I'm going to do is I will just leave it there and switch it off and let the latent heat to continue fully cook the egg. Okay, it's very nice. Exactly what I want. If you like, you can drizzle some sesame oil on top. And let me transfer it to a serving plate. Simple recipe, easy to make, balanced meal, and it's perfect for my dine alone dinner. And I hope you will just like me, like this recipe. And if you want to try it, I will include the recipe in the description box below the video, and also we'll put it at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.